Hey mums, check out your boy. He's here hanging out. Go ahead, sweetie. I'm just letting mom see what you're doing. So he's actually looking for all the shorts. All the shorts, the boxers. There's no more left. Hang out the shirts them now. Good. So he has hanged out all the boxes. So now he gets the clothespin right here. We want to show them how we do it. So he seems to think that it's not hanged properly. Good. Okay. Shirts, boo. Oh, so you missed the shorts. Okay, so we're going. Alright, good. So what are we going to do now? Let's see what he's going to. Now, so you're going to remove the shirt. Take your time. No. Go back up. Remove the shirt. Come, Maurice. You can do this. Remove the shirt. Put it down here. Come. Put it here. Go and hang out the shorts. Good. Come, the shirt, you're forgetting the shirt. Good job. Bring down the bath out the sun. Come put the bath here. Open the bag. Good. Open it. Good, and fold it down so you can find the clothespin easy. Don't put it under the line with the water. Go ahead. Shirts, Maurice, shirts. Shirt. Maurice, shirts. Yes, hang out the shirts, then Maurice, all the shirts, yeah.